From our contract award in September 2023, the Safe Rail Systems Alliance was appointed as principal contractor for the rail systems delivery of Cambridge South Station. The alliance is comprised of Colas Rail, Network Rail and ACOM. The new station will serve as a key transport link between the local biomedical campus and international gateways, such as Stansted Airport and the Eurostar. Working alongside our delivery partners Alstom and the Murphy Group, the SRSA undertook a significant rail systems scope, inclusive of remodelling the existing track and OLE infrastructure across a 2-mile footprint. This was a complex, multidisciplinary project, with SRSA the designated lead for undertaking the integration and deconfliction responsibility for the entire project programme. For the track delivery, in total we installed over 5.7 kilometres of new track, including track formation, new sleepers and rail on the Bethnal Green to Kings Lynn main line between Shepperth Junction to the south and Cambridge Station to the north. This also included the installation of 8 new point ends, 1.54 kilometres of track realignment for the new 4-platform station. This comprised of new plain line track to facilitate the new down loop and up loop, and another 700 metres to facilitate the extension of the down main Shepperth line, which was also installed. Shepperth Junction saw a remodelling of its existing layout. This included works to significantly slew the existing lines, in addition to the replacement of 2 point ends. The change in track geometry has enabled trains travelling to and from the Royston lines to pass through at speeds from a previous 30 miles per hour, now increased to 50 miles per hour. To ensure successful and safe delivery, the track works required a number of closures of the railway line using weekend possessions and 2 major blockades during Christmas 2023 and 2024 to progress with the various key stages of the rail systems programme. To power the track network for the additional passenger and freight traffic, our overhead line team undertook a complex and lengthy programme scope, working in conjunction with our track delivery team. The OLE delivery consisted of the installation of 110 foundations, 79 new OLE structures, 18 new switches, 2 neutral sections, the recovery of 97 existing structures and ties, and installation of an accumulative total of 25,280 metres of OLE conductors between Shepperth Junction and Cambridge Station. These works enabled the installation of the new 4-platform station and upgrade to Shepperth Junction and Hills Road. The scope of works were completed over a number of weekend possessions spanning a 2-year period, including 2 consecutive Christmas blockades and a number of weeks ALO working. We also had an expansive signalling scope. To enable the new layout to function ahead of a re-signalling project, we were asked to design and construct the existing signalling system. This required the installation of 8 new signals and associated AWS and TPWS systems, the reconfiguration of 19 track circuits, and commissioning of 8 ends of MK3 in-bearer clamp locks with high drive supplementary operation and 8 new signs. To bring the scope together, this required the installation of 4 new functional supply points, 4 location cases and alterations in another 21. To connect all the new equipment, over 35 kilometres of cable was required. Throughout the project, we have continually strived to welcome new innovations to the way we approach safety on our work sites. During our 2024 Christmas blockade, we continued in this pursuit with the SRSA procuring the use of RSS Infrastructure's Geo Fencing technology. This is essentially the use of enhanced GPS devices to track all plant machinery in use alongside our safety critical staff using connecting devices within the worksite. The data is then subsequently integrated with our mission room screens and on-site tablets. This allowed the team to track real-time movements of all plant machinery. The technology ultimately provides an additional layer of safety within the worksite while also protecting the workforce from moving outside of isolation limits. With SRSA having a lengthy presence on this project, we were conscious of the importance of establishing good relationships with our stakeholders and ensuring that we are being a good neighbour to the community. Through collaboration with Cambridge City Council, we joined forces with their environmental team on a number of volunteering days in the area, generating over £760,000 in social value. This included vegetation management, litter picking, installing wire fencing for the local nature reserve and removing ragwort from the neighbouring meadow. From the SRSA project team perspective, it has been a positive and rewarding project to have been a part of. In collaboration with our project partners and our trusted supply chain at every stage, we have managed to successfully deliver on our key milestone objectives for the project scope and programme. Most significantly, we have managed to deliver all rail systems work safely, deliver on time and deliver to budget. With our railway infrastructure delivered, the new Cambridge South Station is due to open in 2026.